Today we're looking at putting our heat pump, pull pump on a timer. We've drilled a hole, we've got our primary wires through here, and we're just going to mount the timer box that the brand sent us. Let's see what it does. This is 2 loads, so we have our load coming in is going to be this one here going to load, and then our neutral coming right here to being load neutral. Our first output we just put on the second bank, but it's load coming out and then the neutral going out. Power switch here, and then we have the antenna, which we'll use that when we go to hook it up to the app, and then we'll put this thing on a timer. So that's pretty it. Really simple, straightforward wiring. Not a lot of, I don't think it was complicated, just understanding basic diagramming, where you're coming in from, where you're going out. And then if you want to hook up a secondary box, I can hook up one here and I can have for a second set of lights. So the big thing of this, everything's on the same timer. So even if you put 2 loads on here, they're all going to be on the same timer going in and out. So good point to know.